Hi everyone. In today's session, let us understand one of the most discussed and debated topics in Vastu and how to go about designing a basement. So, majoritively, in case if you're a designer or if you're just an client or you're doing your own house, and keeping in mind that especially in urban areas where the requirement of having either automobiles or either recreational spaces in your basements is becoming important because either of the height restrictions or the area limitations and all that. But today, yes, firstly we'll try to understand, one, of course, is it auspicious to have a basement or not, and second, we'll try to understand what are the best locations to actually have your basement as per Vastu. So, saying that, answering the first question, is it auspicious to have a basement? Yes, it is actually very auspicious to have a basement, and there are certain places where you can actually, or zones where you can keep your basement to make most out of it. The second thing I want to address is where exactly are the best placements or zones to keep your basements. Answering that, one of the best placements or zones where you can actually have your basement area is in the north zone extending up to the eastern zone. So all the zones lying between over here, all of these can be covered to actually have and place your basement or your cellar spaces. And the reason why I say this is, even when you're going to design, if you, for example, I'm just taking a rough idea. If you have a ground level and you're going to keep it on as a still floor level and you want a parking area in that, and the remaining is going to be built. Or if you're actually wanting to go underground and you want to build a basement over there, irrespective of that, and if somehow you have the frontage area where you can actually enter to this and keep the spaces, especially for parking, like I said, the north zone to the northeastern zone, all the zones falling between can be considered. And this is one of the best places to have your, basement. The reason why I say this is, as per Vastu, and as we've covered in the, a couple of, previous sessions as well, you will be able to understand that the northeast zone must be the lowest point on the site, and also it should be the most light year space and the most not so it shouldn't have any heavy equipment over here. So what I want to suggest is, in case if you do have basements and you want to keep parking area, or if you want to keep any recreational spaces like home theaters and all, you can go about doing it, but considerably avoid having gyms in this particular zone, that is in the northeastern zone, even if it's in the basement area. All right. So this is one of the best places, like I said, to have your basement. One of the most, or one of the zone that must be avoided at all times to have your basement is in the southwest zone, because as per Vastu, when you understand, the southwest zone must be the heaviest part of the entire house. And when you're going into having a basement, you're scooping out a lot of area out of it, which is going to make it lighter, volumetrically, mass wise as well. So that is why, as per Vastu, we do not suggest it to have a basement in the southwest zone. Preferably, if you have opportunities apart from the southwest, any other zone apart from this can be considered. Preferably, like I said, the first preference going for this. But in case if you still have to keep it in the southwest, what you can do is add additional thickness in the wall of the southwest zone, and then you can have your basement constructed in this zone, if at all, if it has to. But like I said, majorly it is one of the best things to avoid it at all over here and not have a basement here. All right. So this is just to understand how exactly to go about designing as the basements.